In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a folder in Outlook Attach folder. If you've ever tried to attach an entire folder and found that Outlook won't let you, the solution is simple: turn the folder into a single zip file, attach it, and send. I'll walk you through the whole process so it's clear and quick, whether you're on Windows or Mac, and we'll finish by sending the email with confidence. First, create a zip file from your folder. On Windows, open File Explorer and locate the folder you want to send. Right-click it, then choose Send to, and select Compressed Zip Folder. Windows will create a zip in the same location, which you can rename to something descriptive so the recipient knows what it contains. On a Mac, open Finder, right-click the folder, and choose Compress. You'll see a new zip appear alongside the original. The zip keeps the folder structure intact and often reduces file size, which helps with email limits. A quick tip: double-click the zip to preview its contents and make sure everything you intend to share is inside. Also, be mindful of attachment size caps set by your mail service. Large archives may not send successfully. Next, open Outlook and start a new message. Click New Email or New Message, depending on your version. Add your recipient, a clear subject line, and a brief note describing what's in the zip so the person on the other end knows exactly what they're receiving. If the folder contains time-sensitive files or specific instructions, summarize that in the message body for context. Now attach the zip file. Click Attach File, or go to the Insert tab and choose Attach File, or simply use the paperclip icon. Any of these options work. Navigate to the zip you created, select it, and confirm. Outlook will show the file attached near the subject line or within the message header area. Give it a moment to upload if you see a progress indicator. Before moving on, verify that it's the zip file attached and not the original folder, and confirm the file name looks correct. Finally, review your email details. Double-check the recipient, subject, and the attached zip. If everything looks good, click Send to deliver your folder as a single, convenient archive. That's it. Thanks for watching.